You you should rest. I have some work to finish. I'll finish that and sleep. You sleep. Look at her. Can't she cover herself with something?
Let go of me. Let me go. Please, please, please let go of me. Please, please let go of me. Let me go. Let me go, please. Please, please, please let go of me.
Mithai?
Let go of me.
Hey, Mithai. Relax, relax, relax. Don't be afraid. You are safe now. Why are you so worried? Just sleep. Close your eyes and try to sleep.
I'm just not able to solve this. Let me call up Indra once. Let it be. I'll call him tomorrow. Enough for today. Oof. Indra? I was just thinking of you. You know, I'm not able to solve a problem. I got stuck at the third step. Hold on. Let me open my book first. My brain doesn't work so fast as yours, Indra.
Again, Indra? That too so late at night? Does that peculiar friend of Shri solves maths problem all day?
No. I can't understand. It's not clear to me. I will have to sit in front of you and understand this problem. I'll meet you soon about this. Tomorrow we are celebrating the festival at home. Let me see when can I get free. I'll let you know. Okay, bye. Good night. Good night.
I wanted to ask you about your friend Indra. Is he senior to me too? Anyway, does he keep solving maths problems from morning to night? Peculiar hobby, isn't it?
That's natural, isn't it? Everybody is not the same. Say, for example, you. Will anyone think that you're a brilliant student? You're so casual with your studies. Generally, people involved in academics aren't like you.
Really? So how should I be? Like your friend Indra? Thick specs, thin hairline due to excessive studies. He couldn't even express his love for you.
What? What do you mean?
Hey, don't you understand that your friend Indra loves you? Trust this brother and sister duo. Brothers and sisters like you are very rare and antique. Neither of you understand love.
What are you saying, Ratul? You keep saying whatever comes to your mind. Indra doesn't have any feelings for me. He doesn't understand anything other than maths or studies. But you could only notice his feelings for me. That too at the first meeting.
Listen, not only I, but Mithai also noticed that. Go and ask her.
Why should I ask her? I know that what you are thinking is wrong. He claims that Indra loves me. Has he ever looked at anyone properly?
No. He hasn't looked at anyone. Shri was always there in front of his eyes. But Shri also got married. Oh my, poor Indra. And to whom she got married? To a very tall guy who's like a pillar. Shri, he isn't a good match for you. Oh, poor thing. He gives so much hint you didn't understand anything. Shall I give you an idea? Listen, you call up your friend Indra and tell him, hello, hey brother Indra, listen, you still have a chance. Ratul will go back abroad very soon. After that, our divorce will be final. Call him. Tell this to him. He will feel very relieved. Wait.
Are you fooling me? Indra is such a nice and innocent guy. I'll teach you a lesson.
No. Just you
No,
wait. Call
wait.
him up.
I'll teach you a lesson.
Your maths problem is not getting
Ratul,
solved.
stop there.
Okay, it's a
Ratul,
life
stop, I
crisis.
say.
Call him in.
No,
He
just
will
stop.
solve
How
your
can-
maths
how can
problem.
you talk
Hey,
like
what are you doing? What is this?
Ratul, Why do you keep saying that?
Easy. Relax. I was just joking. But listen to me. You'll understand that my assumption is 100%. You will know it very soon. Very soon.
It'll be easier if your assumption is proven right. You'll be able to go abroad without any guilt. You will think it's good that Shri also has someone now. Now I'll be able to spend my life in my way. Life isn't so easy, Ratul. Come, let's go to bed.
Hey Shri! Neepa? Hey, where are you two? Everyone will go out after some time. Hurry up, guys.
I got so late today. Are the sweets kept here? Neepa, bring all the brothers downstairs.
Sister Shri, you can offer sweets to everyone. But what will you offer to Sid?
Hey, Nanda, she's right.
Hey, are you all done with the preparation? Hey, Sushma, where are you? For the first time, the sisters will tie Rakis to Sid. Hey, Sushma.
I'm coming. Oh, why do you always create a commotion? The boys haven't come downstairs yet.
Som, come downstairs. Hey, Sandy, where are you? Come downstairs along with Sid, or else things will get delayed. They are coming, Aunt Sulata. Hey, Nanda, what are we going to offer Siddharth? Give me some ideas.
What else can you offer him? Just tie the Rakhi on his wrist. But yes, don't forget to ask for your gift. Mithai, how is Sid feeling today?
He still has a body ache, but rest all is fine. He's okay. Come along, come. First we'll tie Rakhi to you and then you can do all your work.
Hey, the puja will happen at night. You can tie the Rakhi then.
No, we are not going to listen to any excuses. We have been arranging everything since morning so that none of you can escape.
Hey, wait. You guys haven't done anything. All arrangements are made by Nanda and Mithai. Mithai woke up early in the morning and cooked fish curry. And these two lazy sisters of mine have left all responsibilities on their sister Nanda.
Oh my, what else would they do? You are the eldest, Nanda.
Yes, that's my problem actually. Hey, Brother Som, please sit here first. And Sid, today you can't hide in the study along with the newspaper, okay?
Hey, today you have to fulfill all the demands of your sister Siddharth.
I've never said that I won't fulfill their demands, Grandpa. Before this day, has anyone asked me that she wants to tie Rakhi to me? Has anyone told me this before? But showman Sandy used to get a Rakhi every year, Grandpa. Grandpa, I too have emotions. I also feel bad.
How would anyone say anything to you? Grandfather's grandson goes out to work with a grumpy face. No one dared to say anything to him all these years. But now that Mithai is here to get scolded by grandfather's grandson, everyone got the courage to say something. Am I not right? Now Mithai digests all the scolding alone. So no one else gets scolded now. Am I wrong, grandfather?
You have gone too far, Mithai. Now you will see how I get you in trouble. I won't wait any longer. This will be the final strike.
Brother Som, come here.
Yes.
Come. Sit here.
Wow, it's very beautiful. Very beautiful Rakhi. Isn't it, Grandpa?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Okay, listen. All your gifts will remain due. Make a list of what you want. I'll get that for you.
Yes!
I have to go right now. If I don't go, it might create a problem. Grandpa.
Okay, we will let you go. You may go now.
Thank you. Grandpa, Grandma, I have to leave now. Bye, everyone. Hey, listen, can I say something? Brother Sid won't go to the office today. The doctor has advised him to rest. But today, for a change, I have to go out.
It's okay. You go first. I'll be the next. Go.
By the way, will you all tell me what gift you want?
Oh my Shri. Sandy is going to give us gifts. What miracle is happening today? No, wait. I have understood everything. Actually, Sid is going to gift us nice things today. So, out of embarrassment, Sandy must have thought of giving us gifts. Am I right, Sandy?
Hey, Grandpa, did you hear that? Nipa is becoming very smart.
Why are you getting annoyed, Siddharth? Show them that you are no less in terms of giving
Okay,
gifts.
I'll gift you a haircut from my side. You guys can get whatever hair treatment you want. And Mithai, you too can get a haircut or a hair spa. I'll pay.
Hair treatment. What is this?
Hey, Sandy, what are you saying? You will pay for their haircuts? What kind of gift is this?
No, Mom. That is a wonderful gift. Sandy, thank you. I was saying that I'll get streaks done in my hair. But which color streaks can I get that will make me look older?
Do you want to look older? Why? Why do you need to look older? You keep talking strange things, Neepa. Mom, you know what? She's taking out my saris one after another from my wardrobe. She wants to wear those. Just imagine what has happened to this girl. I just can't understand anything.
No, aunt. That's quite normal, isn't it? Neepa must be loving saris these days. No, it's pretty normal to wear one. Nanda also likes to wear saris always, doesn't she? Okay, Neepa, listen. Tie the Rakhi to Sandy. He's getting late. Hey, Sandy, sit.
Hey. Why are you forcing them to sit down? He might get
okay,
hurt.
Grandpa. Nipa, tie the Rakhi fast. Come on, fast.
Do you know, this girl will bring about our doom.
Ah, yes.
Okay, fine then. I'm in a hurry today. I'm leaving. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you.
Oh, Sandy! Listen! Listen, do you know what we are going to ask from Sid as a gift? Sandy, this evening, we all will have to arrange a nice setup on the terrace. Remember that. Rajiv has gone an official tour. So the responsibility lies with you.
Right, Nanda.
Shri, you tie the Rakhi first. All misunderstandings of so many years are going to end today.
Okay, tell me. What gift do you all want?
Oh my. Hey, Sister Nanda. Hey, Sister Nanda, where are you taking me to? What happened, Sister Nanda?
Shri, tell him.
Siddharth, we want you to accept Mithai fully as your wife. This will be our gift.
Sister Shri, can you ever accept someone like this? No. How can accepting mithai be counted as a gift?
Mithai.
The gift you are asking for my son, giving that won't be so easy for Siddharth. Give him some time. Siddharth has spent his life in a different manner. But if he has to gift you this, he would need to battle within himself. A long battle.
Why are you crying, Mithai? Your sister-in-laws asked for this for your betterment. Let's see what my grandson decides. He has already changed a lot, my dear.
Grandmother, can I say something? You all won't mind, right? Please don't force Mr. Bittergourd to accept mithai. First let understand the significance of marriage. That man doesn't believe in anything.
Even if he doesn't accept it yet, the things he's doing are only done by a husband. And that is what we need to explain to Sid. Listen, Mithai. Sometimes you need to poke someone in the eye to make them aware of something. And I think this is the time to do that in Sid and Mithai's life.